This is the replaceable back elbow.
This elbow is constructed by welding a body onto the back of it, leaving zero cavity, and then bolting a back onto the back of it, which can be made of regular steel or AR steel for your abrasion resistance needs. The replaceable back elbow is constructed from a pipe or tube elbow with the sides made from 10 gauge material welded to the bend. The back of the elbow is also 10 gauge material and can be replaced as needed, and extra back plates are available at the time of purchase.
If you're able to use the replaceable back elbow, it is better than a typical bare elbow because you are only replacing the back when it wears out. The elbow will still wear out, but then the metal backing is there, and it can be made of carbon, stainless, or even abrasion-resistant carbon steel, which is a little bit stronger than your standard carbon steel elbow. A benefit of the replaceable back elbow is storage capabilities. It is much easier to store a simple back than the entire piece. Also, you are only replacing the back versus the entire elbow when the back of the elbow wears out.
This low change rate means low maintenance, low cost, and reduced system downtime. If you do need to replace this type of elbow, it's very quick and easy. You simply remove and replace the back, and it's no more inconvenient than replacing an elbow fitted with compression couplings.
We do not recommend the replaceable back elbow when contamination is an issue.
Replaceable back elbows are an excellent solution for lesser abrasion application and can last for years.
For more information, call the experts at Progressive Products.